Hello traders, Mark Chapman here, the creator of the trademarked Trap Traders concepts. Welcome to a sunny Tuesday the 18th of July here in the UK 2017, and the chart in question is an interesting one. This is it's actually a weekly chart of the Australian dollar, and we've had this level. It was obviously minor support in here. I say minor, there's not much minor on a weekly, to be fair. Becomes resistance, and then obviously it's hit millions of times in here. Okay, not millions of times, but you get the idea. Lots of times, and then the part that I'm most interested in is right in here, and it's this sell-off just at the level here. Okay, that negative candle, because that would have looked very much like that price was going to sell off, as it had done several times, right, in here and in here. Right, people made some decent money, and it gave the impression like it was selling off, so the hard rate edge, right, people fail to really pay much attention to what's coming in the future, and they go short based off that historical analysis, and as price comes into the level, you know, they've done their analysis in terms of they've identified this as an area they want to sell off, so that's the process by which people consider a trade. And then finally, it's the lack of foresight about the hard rate edge, and it's finally the entry cheese is what I refer to it as, the price action that confirms and solidifies the idea of a trade. It's actually responding off the level in a fashion that you would expect it to if it was going to work, and because of that you're going to jump in, you're going to pile in and go into the position. And no sooner obviously as that occurred, then the market's gone strongly up through that level. We had the poor inflation figures out of the US back end of last week, and obviously that's an ongoing issue for the Fed, so the dollar's been getting spanked, and this is as I say, a multi-year level of resistance that's gone, and this is what I refer to as a trap break pullback. So look at that engulfing candle, right, really strong move up through the level, catches all those traders. It doesn't look to me at this stage that this is going to be a stop pump. We'll have to see. You've always got to be a little bit careful of that, because it can come up through the level in an unconvincing fashion and then sell off like that. That will be a nice opportunity as well, but at the moment I fail to see that occurring. I think the weakness in the dollar has taken hold, and we could see a big fight back with some of these currencies. So what you want to do with this is you want to just try and get on in some type of pullback into this level if you can. Obviously that's quite a lot of pips, but you know, you can always reduce your size and take that position, or wait for some type of sell-off on the lower time frames and get in this. But this might be, you know, a huge move. I mean, we've got no issues really until up in that 82 level, so there's plenty of room to the upside here. So yeah, if you can get on this and a little pullback, then it's probably worthwhile doing so, and just have one eye on holding this longer than you might ordinarily do so, because I think there's some pips in this trade. If you'd like to come and join me in my brand new inner circle, click on the link below. Take care, all the best.